Good morning, students. My name's Aubrey Warren, your ASB Commissioner of Assemblies. Welcome back to your Fall Sports Assembly. It's so good to see you guys all here today. We have a fun lineup planned for you today, including performances from our cheer team and our new song leaders, as well as 4-minute-to-win-it games between our sports.
Hi, I'm Gracie Miller. I'm a senior varsity cheer captain, and we're excited to showcase our 2021 varsity cheer team.
Welcome back, Sultans! Let's go, Santana! Are you ready, Sultans?
Welcome back, Sultans!
Welcome
Back!
students and staff, we missed you.
Come on, let's go! Come on, let's go! Sultans on this side. Come on, let's go! Purple, gold, purple, gold. Sultans on this side. Come on, let's go! Go, Sultans, go! Go, Sultans, go!
Purple, gold, go. Sultans, go. Purple, gold, go. Sultans, go. Go Sultans!
Chubby waist, thick legs in shape, rump shaking both ways, make you do a double take. Plan like a showstopper, flow pumper, head knocker, beat scholar, tail dropper. Do my thing, mother. My Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, outside. Hungry, so lean, say it again, so lean. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing down here. Everybody here, hit your back, suckers, cause misdemeanor says.
For our first game, we have athletes from football and cheer. Please welcome Savannah Cox and Drew Temple. Ready, go.
What's the time?
2:47.
Where? Oh my god. Okay, so we're going to 4. Oh. Alright, I don't know. I can't do any more. That's 4.
You have to end out on. You have to end out here.
What? This is a joke. That's a joke. That's a joke. You guys did not.
Our next game is with athletes from boys and girls volleyball. Please welcome Alden Rasmussen and Mason Seal. Our next game is going to be cup stack. The first athlete to stack and unstack 36 cups within the minute wins. If at the end of the minute no athlete is finished, the one that got along the furthest will win. Ready, go. For our next game, we have varsity water polo players Mason Seal and Willie Lopez. Ready, go. Our next game is with cross country and girls field hockey. Please welcome Haley Hansen and Jack McMacken. Our last game is called puddle jumper. Each athlete will take turns try to blow a ping pong ball from one cup to another. Whoever completes in the fastest time will win. Ready, go.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, oh, oh. No, we run the show. Let's get loud, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for more. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little Let's hit the club, time to make a move, make a move. We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove, nothing to prove. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, oh, oh. No, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for more. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight.
Hi, I'm Gracie Miller and I'm the Commissioner of Spirit. The way this will work is a freshman and a junior will be paired together and a sophomore and a senior. At the end of 3 rounds, the team with the most points will split up and go against each other for first and second place.
Name something you associate with California.
LA. Oh,
Matt.
the Golden Gate Bridge.
No. Tatum, you have a chance. If you get something on the list, you're going to have 30 seconds to try and name off the rest of the list. No. All right, Matt, you go again.
Beaches.
Yes, okay. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds and you're gonna try and mark off the rest. Okay, ready? Go.
Palm trees. Bears. High population.
You have 15 seconds.
I can't think of anything else.
Rapid, just throw stuff out.
McDonald's.
Okay.
I-
Tatum, you have 15 seconds
Alright.
to try and get your own points. Ready? Go, Tatum.
Still the same question, yeah?
Yes.
Hot weather.
The ones you guys missed were surfing, celebrities, earthquakes, Hollywood, Lakers, Padres or Dodgers, and Disneyland. The next question is, name something that will exist in 100 years. Yes.
Flying cars.
Yeah, okay. You have 30 seconds to try and name off as many more as you can.
Oh no. Okay. Flying cars. More virtual things. Can it be vague?
No.
Oh. High-tech planes. Robots. That's all I can think of.
Okay. Ready, go.
Hoverboards, more flying stuff, trees, floating people, I don't know.
The rest of the answers were immortality, automated everything, teleporters, reanimating the dead, self-cleaning houses, and cures for cancer and other diseases. Oh, and then I can just do a round for third and fourth place so everyone gets their points, because I have 4 rounds. For the winner versus winner, name something that is associated with witches. Drew.
Spells, spell book, poison, poison apples, warts, big noses. That's all I got. I'll keep going. Killing people.
Okay, time. Drew, you got 5, so there's 5 more. You have 15 seconds to guess them.
I know.
Green.
Thank you.
What did she not say?
I can't tell you. Okay. The ones you guys missed were brooms, black clothes, cackles, and Halloween. Drew really just went off.
Yeah,
Okay, guys. So you're gonna raise your hand and give me one answer.
Okay.
Name something parents always say to kids. Sienna? Yeah, that works. Okay, give me 30 seconds.
You got this.
Ready, go.
You can't go to that. Oh my gosh, my mom's like nice. I can't think of anything else.
You've met my mom. Think of what she'll say.
I can only think of no, yes. My mom says yes a lot. You have to be home by 10 o'clock.
Okay, Tatum, you have 15 seconds on my mark. Ready, go.
We got food at the house. The curfew. Be safe. Be quiet.
You got none. The rest of the answers were do your homework, my roof, my rules, stop fighting, stop whining, clean your room, I love you, don't make me come up there, go to bed, and if all your friends jumped off a bridge, would you?
So basically, I what?
Good one.
Yeah, you got the one.